Hey guys, it's Pauline. I haven't been to Popshelf in a minute. I've passed by it a few times and I'm like, I want to go check out and see if they got anything interesting. So my particular store, they did a lot of rearranging. Like the stationery stuff is now up front, but it used to be kind of in the back. But I didn't realize that they had bag charms. So I thought that I would share with you guys what I picked up. I don't know what it is about their bags that I just really like. But I like their bags. Okay. They were closing, so normally they want you to do your own self checkout, but they were ready to go. Okay, so this was $4. Did I get a receipt? Anyway, this was $4. I thought I would give this a try. Don't hold out much hope because it didn't look like I don't know, it don't look like much, but I'm gonna give it a try. And then this, I hadn't seen anything. Now I think this was like $8-9. So I guess you're supposed to do your eyebrows in the way that you want, and it's supposed to it says it's a glue, so I guess it's gonna stay that way, and it's a tint. So I thought that I would try that. I do have gray hairs in my eyebrows, which is so unfair. Anyway, and then like I needed another pen. But this purple drop just from Coach just made me, I don't know, wanted like a new pen to go with some of my things. I have a new pen case, so. But anyway, this is one of those disposable fountain pens. Seems to write really nice. And I thought that this was interesting too. Just lists. So, and it writes pretty good. So, pretty nice for a disposable fountain pen. Okay. And then I got it in green. This is like my favorite color of green. Let's see. Really nice. Let's see. And what point is this? It feels like a fine, but it seemed like I read that it was 0.7. Or maybe that was another pen I was looking at. I don't know. I don't see it on here. Anyhow, I like it. And then maybe this was the 0.7. Because I remember this one is thicker. So part of this was how cute this is. And then part of this, oh, this is a broad. Oh, did I have that out of frame? Anyway, broad. This is not a fountain pen. But I thought that this was cute. And it's a nice writer. And it has kind of like a little sheen to it. So I got that. And then I do like these uniball ones. This is a 0.7. I usually like a finer point than that, but I like this one. And then this one, this is kind of like a little novelty pen. It has like these two lines. It's kind of cute. So I picked that. Well, that'd be cute, to kind of have a little pizzazz to something. Alrighty. Kind of cute. Alright, and then I figured these would be really cute as purse charms. Look at him. So let me get... So, I was messing around with my goodies earlier. I would not wear this like this, but you could put all of these charms on here, but I wouldn't do that. But let's see. So he would be cute with this, right? And there's literally no room on this thing. So let's take off one of these. One or two of these. Let's take them both off. Okay. And let's put this on. See what it looks like. I don't know. Maybe this is a little too dressy for that. What do you think? It's got gold hardware. Isn't he cute? I think he's cute. Alright. And then I picked him up. I don't know which one I would put him on, but isn't that cute? And then I used to love these little things when these were popular. Look how cute he is. These were $5 each. Well, since she's pink, maybe this is a girl. Yeah, with her little glitter shoes, feet. Yeah. Let me see, is their name? Glider. Oh, her birthday is August the 4th. Alright. Let's see what these other ones are. Darling, February the 2nd. Luther, January the 5th. How cute. Well, anyway, guys, I thought, oh, I forgot one. Now, I don't know, is he supposed to be a possum? I'm not sure. Or a hedgehog, maybe? Is he a hedgehog? He's not a possum. He's not spiky. So, hedgehog? I don't know. And his name is Bumper. And his birthday is July 29th. How cute is he? So he would be really cute hanging off a bag. Let's see. Okay, so I think this bag is a little too dressy for all that. I probably won't even try to charm this one up, but just for reference, he is kind of like this color. Well, I guess just that is his color. But I don't know. He's kind of cute hanging off it. What do you think? All right, y'all. So that is my little Popshelf haul. And these little pins can go in my little pin case. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.